Good morning guys, in front of me is Tecno Spark 10 and let me show you how to add or remove Google account. So at first open the settings, then find and select users and accounts and select Google. Now enter your email address or phone number, whatever is connected with your Google account, and tap on next. Now enter the password, let me do it off the screen. And as only the password is entered, tap on next. Then decide if this device belongs to you or to your kiddo, tap on next. And then click on I agree under Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Tap on more, accept. Let me just go back from the password manager, and that's it. As you can see, your account has been added. Whenever you want to remove it, just use this icon, remove account, and confirm it by tapping on remove account. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.